Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% pressurized cotton yarn. And in today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet amazing cord in 3D style. This is one side cord lace tape. The trims are visible on the front side. Let's look at the back. This is my own pattern. Please don't forget to write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. I will start from the first segment, continue with the second and the third. That will repeat each time. So I will repeat the second and the third segment each time. And now I show you how to crochet my cord step by step. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain of 4. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first segment. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the ring. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. Treble crochet 2 together. Make the first one, not finish. Make the second one. And pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop. Now I show you the direction in crocheting. I will start from this point, continue with the opposite side, and work by spiral. I put my work like this. Make 7 slip stitches and chain. Let's count 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, and turn the work. Make slip stitch with chain 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and chain, and let's stop and look what I have done. This is the middle part of the segment. I continue working in this direction. I'm going to make slip stitch with chain 8 times. Insert the hook into the chain space. Let's start 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8, insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, My first segment is ready. This is the back side of the segment, and let's stop and look what I have done. This is the first segment of my cord. Let's crochet the second one. This is the back side of the segment. Continue, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet. Then chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. I turn the work to the front side. Here is my segment that I started, and this is the previous one. I insert the hook around the double crochet, make treble crochet not finish, make the second treble crochet not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. Let's stop and look at my base. The base for the second segment is ready. I'm going to work with trim. Start in this direction, then continue working in this direction. Then I will show you how to complete the second segment. Let's crochet it. Make a chain, insert the hook around the treble crochet, make a slip stitch with chain 7 times. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and chain. Work with the stitch. Make the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a chain. Make slip stitch with chain 8 times. Make slip stitch, chain 1. Let's count them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Insert the hook into the double crochet, make a slip stitch. My first segment is ready. As I told you before, I didn't repeat the first segment. I will repeat the second one next time. I will repeat the second and the third segment in the cord. The way of crocheting in all segments will be the same. Let's crochet the third segment. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the stitch, make double crochet. Continue. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip this cluster, insert the hook into the previous segment, insert the hook around double crochet, make treble crochet 2 together, make the first one, make the second one, and pull off the row loops on the hook. The base for the third segment is ready. Make a chain. So I will work in this direction. Let's crochet my slip stitches. Make slip stitch with chain 7 times. Let's count them. I will crochet faster because I repeat my pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work. Work with the next one. Make 7 slip stitches with chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a chain and work with the chain space. Make slip stitch with chain 8 times. This is the back side of my work. Make a slip stitch, turn the work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the back side. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. My third segment is ready. My trim is visible on the front side. As I told you before, I will repeat the second and the third segment in the cord. Now I'm going to work with next one. I will crochet in the same way as I did the second one. I will start and you will continue with your own. Let's repeat. Chain of 2, make double crochet into the stitch. The base for the next segment is ready. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make treble crochet 2 together. I skip this base, work with the next one. I skip the chain and work with this stitch. Make treble crochet, not finish. Make the second treble crochet, not finish, and pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, turn the work, work in this direction. Let's repeat the trim. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chain. Work with the opposite side. Let's count. 1, pull it, chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chain, work with the chain space. Let's count 1. This is the front side of the cord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't do the chain. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. My segment is ready. Continue chain of 2, double crochet into the same stitch, chain of 5 for the chain space, and make treble crochet 2 together. One, 2, and pull through loops on the hook, make a chain. So continue working in this direction. You should crochet the trim. So you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to complete this cord. Here how my cord lace tape looks like. And now I show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last slip stitch, to secure the yarn by making a chain. As you can see, I have already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew tools for jewelry, or you can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side. Let's look what I have done. This is one side cord, my trim visible on the front side. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. Let's look at the back. This is the cord made in 3D crochet style. So you don't need special skills, you just need to know basic stitches such as double crochet, slip stitch, chain, and treble crochet. You can use it like a decoration or a separate element. Also, it could be part of big projects such as lace, or could be a belt for clothes. In this video I used cotton yarn and crochet hook. You can use your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. Here how it looks on my hand. Please don't be afraid to experiment, and remember that crocheting is just the art. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. It's always very interesting to read. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Bye!